How to cancel GoTyme Virtual Card. If you no longer need your GoTyme Virtual Card, here's how to cancel it safely and quickly. So first, open up the GoTyme app from your device and then make sure you are signed in to your account. So once signed in, go ahead and scroll down and you should find the card section from here. So go ahead and look for it. Click on this next button at the right side of the cards, and then from here look for the cancel card button. So choose cancel or block, and if you can't find that option, you can also contact the customer service. Use the in-app chat, email help@gotyme.com, or call their telephone number to request cancellation. Now unlink your GoTyme card from PayPal, GCash, or merchant subscriptions to prevent future auto charges. Monitor your account, check transaction history, and enable notifications to confirm no further charges appear.